Good morning, students. Yesterday we have discussed about the methods of preparation of amines. This is another method. I think this is number 4 by Hofmann degradation reaction. By Hofmann degradation reaction. This reaction is one of the important reaction from amines. One of the question you will get from this reaction in your exam. So this reaction carried out by Hofmann, and this reaction is called degradation reaction because if the reactant contain 2 carbon, in product side you will get 1 carbon. I mean 1 carbon is reduced. So that is why this reaction is called degradation reaction. And especially in conversion, this reaction is mostly used. What about the reaction? This reaction shown by amide compound. You know amide means those compound which contain CONH2 group. This is called amide. So amide shows this Hofmann degradation reaction. When this amine reacts with bromine and sodium hydroxide, or you can take potassium hydroxide also. And this potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide, it should be alcoholic medium, and some amount of heat is required. So when this amide is reacted with bromine and potassium hydroxide, then it will convert to amine, and when the amine is produced, this CO will be completely removed from the compound and you will get RNH2. Ultimately 1 carbon is reduced. That's why the reaction is called degradation reaction, and you will get the amine. Plus side product you will get potassium carbonate. The carbon combines with potassium to produce potassium carbonate, and another side product you will get KBr and water. So these are the side product. Now if you consider one example, for example this one CH3CONH2, here 2 carbon present, that's why this is called ethanamide. When it reacts with bromine and potassium hydroxide, alcoholic, in presence of heat, then this CO will be removed and you will get the amine methanamine, CH3NH2, which is called methanamine. Potassium combines with carbon to produce potassium carbonate, side product KBr, and water you will get. See, here the reactant contain 2 carbon, in product side you got 1 carbon, and that's why the reaction is called degradation reaction. This reaction specially used for the conversion like this. If you want to convert ethanol to methanol, see, when you convert ethanol to methanol, ethanol contain 2 carbon, methanol contain 1 carbon. I mean you have to reduce 1 carbon. To reduce the carbon number, you can use this reaction specially for removing 1 carbon. So that is why this reaction is very important in the conversions to reduce carbon. If you want to increase 1 carbon in conversion, then you can apply cyanide. Cyanide increase 1 carbon, and if you want to reduce 1 carbon, then you apply this reaction. And the last method, number 5, this is one of the important reaction by Gabriel G. By Gabriel Thelymide. By Gabriel Thelymide synthesis. This is one of the important reaction. What about this reaction? This compound is used as reactant, which is called thelymide. Actually it comes from thalic acid. This is called thelymide. When this thelymide reacts with potassium hydroxide, and this potassium hydroxide should be alcoholic, then the hydrogen and OH combines to form water, and in thelymide other part will remain same, C double bond O, C double bond O, this is N. When hydrogen is released as H plus, nitrogen will be N minus, and potassium combined with this, it produces salt. So reaction takes place only in this position, other part will remain same. So it forms a potassium salt of thelimite. After production of this, you apply one haloalkane Rx. When you apply one haloalkane, the halogen combine with potassium to produce KX, I mean KCl, KBl like this, and the compound will convert to like this. Benzene ring remains same, this part remains same, COO, and this N combines with your R. K combine with X to produce KX and the R combine with N to produce NR. After that, you have to do hydrolysis. This reaction is called Gabriel thelimite reaction. When you do hydrolysis, then the compound will break here. In this position, the compound will break. As you know, water produced here, 2 water you apply. 2 water produce twice H plus and twice OH minus. This 2H plus combine with this nitrogen and this 2H minus combine with the carbons, carbonyl carbon. Ultimately, you will get the product like this. This CO combine with one OH to produce COH. This CO also combine with one OH, it produces another COH. And this nitrogen combines with hydrogen, it produces RNH2, which is called amine. And this compound is called phthalic acid. Side product you will get phthalic acid. So this method is called Gabriel thelimite synthesis because you prepared the amine from thelimite. That's why the reaction is called thelimite synthesis reaction, and this reaction is carried out by Gabriel. So these are the methods of preparation for amines. Gabriel thelimite reaction and Hofmann degradation reaction, these two reactions are very important reaction. Now we will move to the properties of amines. We will start with basicity of amines. Amines are basic in nature. Why amines are basic? Because as you know, amines formula is general formula is RNH2, and nitrogen contain one lone pair of electron. Due to presence of lone pair of electron, it acts as Lewis base. What was Lewis concept? According to Lewis concept, the substance which can donate a pair of electron, they will act as base, and the substance which can accept a pair of electron, they are said to be Lewis acid. So due to presence of lone pair above nitrogen, the nitrogen can donate the lone pair to other atom, and that is why these amines always act as base. As you know, ammonia also act as base due to presence of lone pair of electron in nitrogen. But if you want to compare ammonia and amines, who will be more basic? Amines are more basic than ammonia. And why it is like this? Here, as you know, amine contain one R group. R means alkyl group, and alkyl groups are electron donating group. So when this alkyl group donates electron towards nitrogen, then electron density inside nitrogen increases, and that's why it is easier to donate the lone pair of electron, and that is why these amines are more basic than ammonia. In ammonia, as you know, ammonia contain hydrogen, and hydrogen is not the electron donating group. So that is why this is also basic in nature, but as compared to amine, ammonias are less basic. It is only due to presence of this electron donating alkyl group, I mean due to presence of plus I affecting group. Now as you have got, there are 3 types of amine: RNH2, RNHR, which is called secondary amine. This is primary amine, this is secondary amine, and this is tertiary amine. This is your tertiary amine. If you compare primary, secondary, tertiary with ammonia NH3, then what about the basicity? Tertiary is the most basic, then secondary, then primary. This is the basicity order. This is the basicity order when they are in gaseous phase. I mean when the amines are in gaseous state, then the order is like this. Tertiary is more basic than secondary, then primary, then ammonia. It is due to presence of more electron donating group in tertiary. Here 2 electron donating group, here only 1 electron donating group, here no electron donating group is present. So as the number of electron donating group presents, so they donate the electron towards nitrogen, and that's why inside nitrogen the electron density going on increasing, and that is why it is easier to donate the lone pair of electron to other atom. That is why tertiary is most basic, then secondary, then primary, then ammonia. So as the number of electron donating group increases, the basicity of amines also increases, but this is applicable only in gaseous phase. If it is in aqueous solution, then the order will be different. I will give you the order in aqueous solution also, but when the amines, normally amines act as base, so when they are in gas, when they act as, they will exist as gas. So when they are in gaseous state, then the order is like this: tertiary greater than secondary, greater than primary. Due to presence of more electron donating group in tertiary, tertiary is most basic.